everybody, welcome back to the channel.
We're Steve and Audra, and in 2020 we bought an empty cargo van and converted it over the next few years. And then for about a year now we've been doing full-time van life. We're here in Buffalo, New York to do some exploring, and we hope you join us today. We have been spending some time in Pennsylvania. We were just in Erie, Pennsylvania, and we've been making our way north. Our first stop here in the Buffalo area is a botanical garden.
Non più tra I farfalloni amoroso, notte giorno di torno girando, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adocino d'amor.
This is the Buffalo and Erie Botanical Garden, and we get in here free because we have a membership with the American Horticultural Society. Entrance to the botanical gardens was $16.50 per person, so we saved some good money today. The Buffalo and Erie County Botanical Gardens are located in the South Park area of Buffalo, New York. This historic conservatory was modeled after rare glasshouses in London, England. The gardens were designed by landscaping architect Frederick Law Olmsted, who also designed New York City's Central Park and Brooklyn's Prospect Park. The unique plant collection was curated by botanist and plant explorer John F. Cowell. Upon opening in 1900, the conservatory was the third largest public greenhouse in the United States and was ranked as the 9th largest in the world. In 1901, the Pan American Exposition in Buffalo helped to spur the success of the South Park Conservatory by providing trolley rides from downtown Buffalo to the conservatory. Tens of thousands of people visited the breathtaking conservatory and delighted in the exotic collection of plants and flowers. Over the years, the gardens have expanded and undergone restoration so visitors can continue to enjoy this living museum. Silly Steve, did you not see the sign?
Owie.
Schioppo in spalla, sciabla a fianco, collo dritto, uso franco, un gran casco, un gran turbante, molto onor, poco cantante, poco cantante, poco cantante.
Oh, these are cool orchids.
Apartment building.
Yeah, especially with that location, huh? Well, welcome to Buffalo.
In a quarter mile, continue straight onto Delaware Avenue.
In researching the area, Steve found that there's a pretty big event going on. It's called Taste of Buffalo, and I think they claim that it's the biggest food festival in the country. It's free, There's a lot of food and live music. So we're gonna go see what's happening. But first, we're gonna have to find a place to park.
He shoots. He scores.
Yeah, we just found a spot. I was a little concerned about finding parking, and we just got to this little area, and I saw taillights on, and I was like, Steve, are they leaving? And they left. Yes. That was easy.
Looks like it's $4 for 10 hours is what we saw.
So we can just hang out all day.
I guess beats a parking garage.
Yeah.
Not that we would fit there anyway.
But we passed in other places.
Although we would fit at least once.
You took a left off last lap lane. You were just sounding it out.
Taste of Buffalo is the largest two-day festival in the U.S. It began in 1984 with 22 restaurants on Main Street and is now celebrating its 41st year in 2024, showcasing area restaurants, businesses, and musicians. This year, 44 restaurants participated.
We're gonna get some free fries.
Attendees must purchase tickets that can be used to sample food and drink. While we would have loved to enjoy some of the culinary delights that were offered, we found the ticket system frustrating and would have preferred to be able to pay with cash or credit. It being a hot day, we also didn't have much patience to wait in lines. So we forego the tickets, but we did try some free samples.
On the front of the card. Hey, you still got that coupon though, right?
We found out after the event that some of the proceeds go to over 20 local charities and scholarships for students pursuing a culinary or hospitality degree.
So what you got there, Audra?
A kiwi, one of my favorite fruits.
Apparently from New Zealand.
That's right. I've never actually had golden kiwi fruit. Usually it's green.
I'm gonna make me a big strong axe, shining steel, tempered in the fire.
As we walked around the many closed-off city blocks, we enjoyed seeing some of Buffalo's beautiful architecture. There are certainly some beautiful old buildings downtown.
So we're at the Savannah Bee Company tent, and they're giving out free samples of some of their honey. And we got the hot honey, and it's got some kick to it.
It was time to explore more of the area, so we headed to our favorite kind of spot, the waterfront.
Watch out, America. You never know who is out on the roads. Right next to us, these two guys apparently smoking marijuana, and you'll see the guy in the passenger seat has a bottle of something between his legs, and the cars are running.
So we drove into East Basin Marina because it looked like we'd have some access of views of the water, and it was also free parking. But this is one of the huge downsides of van life. You can't escape who parks next to you very easily unless you want to move yourself and find a new spot. We were taking naps here. I was taking a nap in the front seat because it was cooler, because it's pretty hot today, and someone pulled in over here blaring their music, and then they finally left. And now there's this vehicle next to us on the other side that Steve showed you. They were blaring their music and yelling and making all kinds of noise when they got here, and now they're doing their other thing. It kind of sucks. You can't choose your, well, I say you can't choose your neighbors. Like I said, I guess we could leave, but it's just really annoying because it feels like everywhere we go, there's running vehicles or annoying people. So this is a bad moment for me right now in van life. Alright, so we're gonna go walk around a little bit, hopefully cool down with the breezes, get a little less grouchy, enjoy where we are. Now Now it's time to climb a tower and get a view. Now it's time to get some steps in.
Sitting here by a beautiful inlet, and what's Audra doing? Working.
A woman's work is never done.
We've been enjoying our time along Lake Erie so much. There have been so many wonderful spots along the water as we've explored, and also some pretty great sunsets to end each evening. We're so thankful for this opportunity to travel and see so many unique spots in this amazing world of ours. Our adventures continue next time with more water views, nature, van life, and a celebration of Steve's birthday. We'll see you then.